Good morning. Am I speaking with beings of love and light? My spirit guides? Yes. Okay, wonderful. Okay, today I thought we might talk about the concept of awakening. I know that that is kind of a catch-all phrase that some may understand what that means and some may not really understand what that means. So I thought we could discuss what awakening means from your perspective. So what exactly are we awakening to? T H E the T R U E true N A T U R E nature O F of R E A L I T Y, the true nature of reality. Okay, so what we are living in here is not the true nature of reality. It is an illusion. That's how you've described it before, an illusion or school for soul growth. Yes, okay. So I wondered if one of our missions or goals in this experience is to fully awaken to the truth. Yes. So we're not supposed to live necessarily under the restrictions of the illusion for our entire lifetime. And that's okay if we do. So there's nothing wrong with not awakening. However, one of the goals is to fully awaken to the true nature of reality. Okay. And how would you describe the true nature of reality? What is the true nature of reality? A L L O I S is S O U R C E, source. All is source. Okay, so there's nothing in any of what we are experiencing that is not source. So that's everything from the cars we drive to the streets we drive on, to human beings, to animals, to it's all source energy. Okay, so that's the true nature of reality. And so with that knowledge, therein lies what the true message is, which is that we are all one. We are all one consciousness. We are all source, emanations or fractals of source in this experience. Okay, so what are some signs that we are becoming more fully awakened? So are there physical signs? Are there messages? Are there different experiences we might start to have just so that we can trust, what's happening, that what's happening is real, I guess you might say. Yes, okay. T E L E P A T H I C, telepathic. C O N T A C T, telepathic contact. So that is one way that we can know or start to trust that we are awakening to the true nature of reality. Okay. Are there other ways? Are there other ways that we may start to know or have a knowing or see signs or symbols or yes? Okay. S I G N as signs, I and N Y O U are your P H Y S I C A L physical R E A L I T Y, signs in your physical reality. So we may start to see things, experience things that give us signs that all is not as we have thought, or even been told, or even through school, our parents, our religious leaders, that there's much more going on here than we have been led to believe. Yes, okay. An example might be, for instance, I have seen a group online that is showing images of faces in clouds. So there are faces of loved ones, faces of animals, faces of what appear to be other species and other races that are not human, that are in the cloud images, and they're very clear that what you're looking at is a face, I guess all I can say. So those are the kinds of signs that we can maybe start to see that we are awakening to the true nature of reality. Okay, yes. Is there anything we should be afraid of about this? No. So these are just the truths that are being revealed, especially during this time of the Earth's increase in frequency and her ascension into that frequency. So I guess a quick follow-up would be, would we be seeing all of this information as abundantly as we would had this not be happening? No. So again, we'd be living under the illusion of the 3D experience to have an objective experience, but because the Earth is ascending in frequency and humanity is evolving in consciousness, it's becoming more clear to us what the true nature of reality is. Okay. And just as I guess a final question, will we be reconnected or reunited with our galactic brothers and sisters? So those species that we have not met in the human experience, or we don't remember them, we can reconnect with them at some point in the ascension process. Okay, wonderful. Exciting times. Okay, I guess we'll go ahead and wrap up this session for now. Is there anything else you'd like to add? Yes, okay. W E we L O V E love Y O you, love you, we love you. Okay, sending much love and gratitude to you. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.